Ebusuafo, me mobi bia kwaba deba GCN page so. Mesro, subscribe to my channel. Found me a bell on so. Ube a notification. And some me koso me mobi obenye biati anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha midin ede adwoa searching. Na discussion bi ekoso ewo Oman FM newspaper review discussion. Na emu enomodi tudwa no mo ekre se NDC fo ye nkrofo bi mo ha adwenye papa. Titrupa eye honorable Okudzeto ablakwa ohadwinye papa ye beka ya his excellency anado danko akufado etu kwan so okopesika ede abeboa o man Ghana ene eye honorable Okudzeto ablakwa eba out ebeka say his excellency omo quarantine flight a chese any flight nam so kra na ado dware wom ene ehun sensem beye bebre wo Ghana ha no na eye first lady ene second lady omo allowance ena salary hu sensem ekoso ewo manga nemu ena eye honorable Okudzeto ablakwa ena NDC fo ene kasa de nyasem ketwa omo akasa bi papa nyasem ketwa kra na discussion omo eye wo Oman FM newspaper review discussion so ena omo chese eye Okudzeto ablakwa uwie school senya politics a anka wundu babia wadu NDC fo mo so ene Oman mu aye din sikeni Oman mu aho eye honorable Okudzeto ablakwa so Oman mu ayedin eba ne sen na wote East Legon ufie Land Cruisers akese na cars akese bebre na wa park wo ho utumi de wo ka akosi baby so omo enho ma ene ho na omo ho ka no mutumi wie sika nye sika keto akora fika no because sika gugu ka ni mu nye sika keto a na NDC fo so ya propaganda ya omo denti na nado aye sei MPP aban aye sei omo e kire se NDC fo mu ye steady na umana na nado emu ni man na nado adwembo ni bi edi ni trip eyo mampani dada John Dramani Mahama sisi onye president bio oye president no otu America enu na hu nsama be bebre na eba ne se na nado nkwa otu America ene chese Ghana fo mo se monti ase na ebeka kra ya ma melody na muntu mfa no hu toto eye first lady Mama Rebecca because Mama Rebecca be first lady niema waye wo mamu nya nya maketo akra nti se Ghana fo ka empoke yetu adeka na ankade na aye na say enomode etudwa.
And this government has those records and then another by the under this chief of staff Mr. Madi omo meticulous and the chief of staff
on one FM
on Tiani tabletop bi or the check in the Tiano or Tiano by check and she's been receiving it since 2017 Oje Wajia na dia nana Kufuado ne boni a oye ya ne se yen regularize no yen fan contract aso ena ukunu ni NDC for any MPs amo approve ade no
Okudzeto no nam ho nam se dua de o kire
Musa emaso na sa ani bria no aya no mpeso om de be hye Ghana fo bu no ene ho kire ene Okudzeto ya ho kire ya you shouldn't be living at Airport Hills Okudzeto sa Ghana fo ho kire why are you living at Airport Hills why do you have so many Land Cruisers in your house uwie school no ka ko mawule secondary school na akoye tutor anko razia during nka how many Land Cruisers na bet me afford NDC there when you are swimming in affluence it's okay NDC for when you are swimming in affluence it's okay NDC for sikade da ka mu hu de ode uko watching the crack of car na obi awia 25,000 from car
enya nesika with that
enya nesika so praktikiti wo be deputy minister na eduru MPP for so na NDC for ahyeche na mo create impression to say there na
the family you belong to what me show mu anado president for being around for so wudi na tem the kind of crime on panokre ya kana kwa Ghana phone tie ha me say Ghana phone me share the phone video all because a check the phone chi di na ado atem a check the phone chi anu ya ha Ghana for Matukwan. Some of you are so much ashamed to yourself. We want to face Ghana. Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called, move from we say, judiciary. Some law no nyet mo Ghana. Na mo tia bloche mra na de bu ablochire. Emra enti wudi dia ho fanto fom. Emra enti wonu so gugotam. Edan ho kra wutimi ndo so. Wutimi nyo kwate round so. Mama dia mo say, hey, atem dia na de fisikro. Machimienti. We have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country. No, be able what's a minute in a talk? And Ghana, no, I say we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you some. Yes, you have been in senator. Oh, Papa, president. Now, because you are not the form. Now, I'm at the form. Because you are near Canada. You are primary school, SLC, and ultimately Uncle School. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, they run as your president. Because you are near primary school fees, near primary book. Yes, me book what it's near primary. Now, one hour by yesterday. Ghana for community ya to Obama obia ya to Obama it we honorable it also kasa Ghana for yentio honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you was schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? J.J. no you papa. On shema kwasya kwan. Eno kwa de na mani kire. So let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industries which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If you was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, Papa, time near the Kabi, and Yaka and Echo from, and Yaka, your fro, and Nuna, Juma, air trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yaka and air fro, medical school. Nako 4 by every 2 Papa, and what the buses, metro buses, a ban your fro yet, and a Ghana for the board, go metro mass, and yes, say no. And to Ghana to Memphis, Ghana for no season, ye problem. Kofoba Fessiano, Zinato Papa. A dear, Satam Nuana, or Kofoba, and no Marco 4 years, or Papa went to me and Yabi. O doesn't count Johnny and this cry. As I got Johnny before, near the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Oka say you to know mo kasa no we anyasa force ne on. Oka say you to know mo ya face the country no. O we anyasa force ne me a. E ko maka kire Ghana for say obi abaji brabu bi aban ne kyew. Kom di nyansa be kasa. Ko maka kire Ghana for say mo a mo sisi sidan fon, mo sisi sikode na wo kwan ho. Mo a mo de e say kiosk wo sisi kwan no. Yembu puni nyina na brochire nyasa ne tie. Sa you to him nyansa ko meka de tie wa brochire aka che president say ye pese Ghana ye tie ma me mo te kwa no wo mo sore president simakat usimakat ya famo mo free yes kaje tie market